This is our latest project. It's a Sterling dump truck. It's a Mercedes MBE 900. You get compression in the coolant. This surge tank was bubbling away pretty bad, so first thoughts are head gasket, or cracking a block, cracking a head. So luckily, checked the block, cleaned it up, and there's no cracks in the cylinders, or we're good there. So, and the head's been sent out to be magnaflexed for cracks, but the heads are pretty tough on these, so it's good. But the head gasket looks pretty raunchy. Checked all the coolant passages, and yeah, it looks bad. So if you find no cracks in the castings, we'll do the head gasket kit, replace the head bolts. Check the EGR cooler. It's 3 years old. It was replaced. So everything else looks good, reusable. And we'll get the head back. We'll reassemble and get her back on the road.